Vosaic is a cloud-based platform for teaching and learning online, professional development, and collecting data for research. It's really easy to upload videos to Vosaic using an iOS device, webcam, or whatever other camera you have. But what makes Vosaic really powerful is Mosaic Forms. Now, to best understand how Mosaic Forms work is to see them in action. Let me show you a couple of examples. Here is a video that uses a form that's based on Danielson's instruction domain. The Mosaic form is over on the right-hand side, and it's basically a collection of buttons that you can press to mark important moments on the timeline. So when you see communicating with students, when you press that button, it will mark a specific moment on the timeline that you can then click on and leave comments and do some additional things. Now, what's really powerful about Mosaic Forms is that these buttons are completely customizable, and you can create as many forms as you need to do your work. Let me show you a couple of other examples. Here is a form that was created by a principal as his own self-reflection form, where he marks the moments in his conversations with his teachers. And here's an example of a form used by healthcare professionals when they do medical simulations. As you can see, options are endless. You can create forms for any type of a scenario. So the first thing you need to do when you get started with Vosaic is decide what forms you want to create, what kind of buttons you want to add to it to mark videos that you upload to Vosaic.